Hey guys!
Welcome back.
Yep.
Oh.
No, you go.
We're the puzzle couple.
And we're back with a new puzzle. This one is close to home. So it is Newport Beach. It looks like it's, from yesteryear, kind of, but, it's still pretty cool looking.
Yeah. Now, did we go on the beach when we went up to Newport? Or were we, because we were in a Duffy.
Yeah. I guess we didn't really go to the beach.
I don't think we went to the beach.
We were just on the water, going through all the fancy homes. Not really going through the homes. We didn't get to go into the homes. We were just riding a little Duffy boat around where the fancy homes were, so we got to see them. So it would be freaky if we actually went into the homes.
Knock, knock, knock.
Hey,
hello.
We're just here to see your homes.
We're the puzzle couple. Oh, you don't know who we are?
What do you mean you don't know who us? We have followers.
They'd be like, how many? And then we would say it.
Well, it's in the hundreds. 100? It's in the 100?
It's in the 100. I could see that going over well. We'd have more luck if we showed up with wine.
We might.
Hi. We got wine.
We got wine. We just want to see the inside of this. It's beautiful. But anyway, back to the puzzle. So this is a 500-piece Dowdle, Newport Beach. So very cool looking.
My cousin lives up in this area, so I think when we're done with this puzzle, we will be handing it off to her.
Yeah, we'll see if she wants to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, she is kind of part of the puzzle exchange thing.
Kind of, yeah.
So we'll see if she wants to do it. But this one looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of different colors in there, a lot of water.
A lot of water.
Yeah, so.
Is that water? Yeah, that's water.
Yeah, it's
up
water
top
back there.
Too.
Mm-hmm.
So is this just like?
It's like a little inlet or whatever they call them. I'm not really sure.
Yeah, well, it's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I can't wait to get into this.
Exactly.
So
yeah, since it's 500 pieces, it shouldn't be a super hard puzzle. Hopefully, it's all here. These, of course, this one is one of those that is from a thrift store, which we love doing thrift store puzzles. I think it's one of the best ways to do it. Not knocking new puzzles. I mean, I do like new puzzles if we can ever get them.
But I do like living dangerously, wondering, are all the pieces gonna...
Is it all gonna be there?
Is it gonna be there?
Right.
And then I think we always have that moment when we're like...
It's not all there.
It's not all there.
And then we find out it is.
It is, yeah.
So, anyhow, hopefully you guys like this. Like and subscribe to our channel because that's important to get our hundreds of people.
Yeah, because when we knock on doors, we want to say hundreds, not 100.
100 people.
Okay, just tell me, is it better to just show up with the wine?
Right? Exactly. Wine's always good.
That's way more impressive, right? So anyways, yeah, you guys. So stay tuned. At the end of this, we will give our opinion, which has always been very up and up because... we just have a really good time doing this.
We have a good time doing it. So I don't know how bad a puzzle would have to be for it to be a bad puzzle.
Yeah.
I mean, we had the one puzzle that we couldn't finish because that was the 3D thing and our eyes just couldn't see the picture.
Yeah.
So
that's a flat 3D, not the 3D that
we've talked about.
That
before,
that people have.
If you watched any of our stuff, we've kind of talked about that before.
Yeah.
So anyhow,
but that has to be the worst puzzle ever because you and I keep mentioning it.
Yeah. We're like that darn 3D puzzle.
That puzzle.
But anyhow, yeah. So this one should be fun, and we will talk to you at the end.
Bye,
Bye guys.
guys, welcome back.
We did it, of
We
course.
did.
I mean, damn.
500 pieces, so it wasn't too, like, crazy for us. But a lot of the colors, like, at the very top were a lot of purples and blues. So, and, like, the darker blues, the darker purples. So, it took me a little bit longer to figure that out. I think you kind of went towards the bottom. You did the signs.
Yeah, I did the beach area a lot, it looked like, or it seemed like. Yeah.
I blink, and he's got, like, the fence set up. He's got the buildings. He's got words put together. And then he starts the beach. So, and I'm still picking at the
sky's
sky.
hard.
Yeah.
The sky is hard. So, I mean, a lot of that other stuff wasn't that bad. It was a fun puzzle. It wasn't too hard to put together. There were some pieces that, if you put them in the wrong place, they're hard to get apart again.
Yeah.
You know, when you're kind of, at least for us, we sometimes just kind of like, does that look right? And then it sticks and you can't pull it up without pulling up a lot of the other pieces. So that, I don't really like that. But then again, I do want the pieces to hold together well. So that's probably a good thing.
And it did. It when we picked it up, it held really well.
Yeah, it did.
So
it did. It was a really cool puzzle. I would not mind doing another one like that.
Which is great, because I think we do have a couple more
yeah,
Dowdle.
that'd be cool. Yeah, I like Dowdle. Sorry, guys, it's been a long day. Sorry.
He gets up early.
Yeah. So anyhow, we got this one done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing us do it. It was, like I said, a very interesting one to do.
Have you been to Newport? You know, list it down below if you have. And is it your favorite beach, or what is your favorite
beach in California?
In California to go to?
Or any other place. What other
Yeah.
beaches do you guys like to go to?
Yeah, what's your beach? If you're like across seas, what's the beach that you guys go to? Unless it's too cold. I don't know. I don't know. They have surfing contests everywhere. So I would think
almost any place
anywhere. Yeah.
I don't know. So I'm sure it's different on in every country, kind of.
Yeah. So let us know, because we haven't traveled very far yet. So it'll give us a chance to learn a little bit about different areas.
Yeah.
So comment below, and we will see you
next time
for the next one.
All right. Bye, guys.